The Book of Exodus, Chapter 5, from the Sunday School Bible. Copyright, The Sunday School Bible, LLC, 2025. All rights reserved. 1446 BC. Moses and Aaron speak to Pharaoh. Moses and Aaron went and said to Pharaoh, "This is what the Lord God of Israel says. Let my people go, so that they may hold a feast to me in the wilderness." Pharaoh said to Moses and Aaron, "Who is the Lord, that I should obey his voice and let Israel go? I do not know the Lord, nor will I let Israel go." Moses and Aaron said to Pharaoh, "The God of the Hebrews has met with us. Please let us go on a 3-day journey into the wilderness and sacrifice to the Lord our God, or else he will fall upon us with plagues or with the sword." Pharaoh, the king of Egypt, said to Moses and Aaron, "Why are you distracting the people from their work? Get yourselves back to work. There are many people in the land now, yet you are making them rest from their work." Brick quota. On the same day, Pharaoh commanded the taskmasters of the people and their officers, saying, "You will no longer give the people straw to make bricks, as you have been doing. Let them go and gather straw for themselves, but maintain the same quota of bricks that they have had up to now. You will not diminish their quota, for they have been idle." Therefore the people cried, saying, "Let us go and sacrifice to our God." Pharaoh said to the taskmasters, "Let more work be laid upon the men, so they may work even harder. In this way they will not listen to false words." And the taskmasters of the people and their officers went out and spoke to the people, saying, "This is what Pharaoh says. I will not give you straw. Go and get your own straw for your bricks wherever you can, but do not let your work diminish." So the people were scattered abroad throughout all the land of Egypt, gathering stubble instead of straw. And the taskmasters pushed them even harder, saying, "Fulfill your work, your daily tasks, the same as when you were given straw." And the officers of the children of Israel, Jacob, which Pharaoh's taskmasters had set over them, were beaten. The officers said to the children of Israel, Jacob, "Why did you not fulfill your brick-making quota yesterday and today, as before?" Then the officers of the children of Israel, Jacob, came and cried to Pharaoh, saying, "Why are you treating your servants this way? Straw has not been given to your servants, yet the taskmasters say to us, 'Make brick,' and then your servants are beaten, but the fault is with your own people." Pharaoh said to the officers, "You are idle. You are idle. This is why you say, 'Let us go so we can sacrifice to the Lord.' Therefore go now and work. There will be no straw given to you, but you are still required to deliver the same quota of bricks." The officers of the children of Israel, Jacob, realized that they were in an evil situation after Pharaoh said, "You will not diminish your daily brick quota." The officers of the children of Israel, Jacob, departed Pharaoh and met Moses and Aaron, who were standing in their path. The officers of the children of Israel, Jacob, said to Moses and Aaron, "May the Lord look upon you and judge you, because you have made us hated in the eyes of Pharaoh and the eyes of his servants, putting a sword in their hand to slay us." Moses speaks to God. Moses returned to the Lord and said, "Lord, why have you brought evil on this people? Why have you sent me? Since I went to Pharaoh to speak in your name, Pharaoh has done evil to this people, and you have not delivered your people at all."